Welcome to Kingdom Touches channel. In this video, I am going to be removing and replacing some vinyl with this Albachem VLR. This stuff can be very caustic and harmful to eyes, inhalation, and if it touches skin. So I am going to wear the proper PPE. As you see, I'm going to be wearing some glasses, a mask. Which mask is this? Can't remember the mask name. But I'm also going to be wearing gloves. Respirator. Ha! That's the name of it. I'm going to be wearing a respirator. I knew it'd come to me. You don't have to be a senior to have senior moments. So if you saw my last video, you may have noticed that that cross is very crooked. So I'm going to remove it. It's also crooked and I don't like the style of it. So I'm going to be removing that part of this design. So I'm going to turn the shirt inside out and I'm going to be feeling for where the cross is because I only want to put this chemical on that part as to not to remove any other vinyl. You do not need a lot of this solution in order to remove the vinyl. Just a couple of drops will actually do. I'm sure there's an easier way for me to figure out where my design is that I want to remove, but I haven't figured that out yet, so we'll see. So I'm just going to drop a few drops. And rub it in. All right, now I'm going to pull it apart. And as I pull it apart, it will make it easy for me to remove the vinyl. As you see, when I pull it apart, the vinyl is going to start tearing. That is an indication that the solution is working. So I'm just going to pull off the pieces. You want to take your time and pull them off the pieces because you don't want to disturb the rest of the design that you want to keep. These pieces are being a little stubborn, so I'm just going to add a little bit more to these little pieces in order to get them to release from the shirt. If you look at the shirt, you can see there is some adhesive still on the shirt. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to get a microfiber cloth and put some of the solution on the cloth and just directly wipe the shirt in order to remove that adhesive that you see that's on the shirt. Don't need a lot. Don't want to soak the shirt. Just want to get that adhesive off. And I'm just going to wipe the area. After I wipe this area, I'm going to let it dry completely. I let it dry under a fan, and then I'm going to put the new cross. And here you go. As you see no remnants of the old cross. You don't see any stains from the solution. It's almost like that was the way it was the whole time. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again.